Don't care. And I said, what about breakfast to Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the...
Hi, my name is Kevin Skinner and I'm a senior.
Hi, I'm Sean Reichel and I'm also a senior.
Attention students in grades 6 to 8th. Cedar Point permission slips and money are due no later than March 13th. Please see Ms. Russell if you have any questions on
Jackson.
Permission slip.
Ladies that signed up for softball practices, conditioning will begin Monday, March 12th. Be in the gym at 3:15 p.m. with workout clothes and ready to move. See Miss Kareem with questions.
Listen up, track athletes. Mandatory practices have begun. If you have signed up for track and have not yet been to a practice, see Schoon ASAP.
Attention fifth grade students, camp is quickly approaching and we need your payment. There is a $40 payment due Friday, March 16, 2018. Give all payment to Miss Atkins or Miss Connolly.
Don't forget your roar core values.
Responsible behavior.
Outstanding attitude.
Achieve greatness.
Respect everyone.
Go Jaguars.
Jaguars roar.
Roar.